Hi everybody, my name is Nina Bosky and this is your power word of the week. Spring. Spring is in the air. And what does that mean for you? It could mean several things. Spring cleaning, spring into action. Spring, there's a lightness, there's a freshness in the air after coming out of winter. So spring is a indication and a symbolism of new life. What new things are you birthing this spring? What things in your life need to be decluttered or released? Think about spring as a freshness, a new beginning. What will you be creating? Spring. Let this be a reminder as one thing ends, a new door starts to open. And in that freshness of a new beginning is spring. I'm Nina Bosky for LifeBites, and remember to take a bite out of life before life takes a bite out of you.